अगस्त 2018 सेमेस्टर 3 ऑल ऑफ द ट्रेड इलेक्ट्रिशियन रेट थ्योरी पेपर। किसी भी डी ग्रुप एग्ज़ाम रेलवे एग्ज़ाम में इस क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकती है, तो आप सभी के लिए है इस क्वेश्चन जो। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसका जो टोटल टाइम दिया हुआ है 3 आवर्स और टोटल मार्क्स 150। अब जो इलेक्ट्रिशियन ITI की स्टूडेंट है उसके लिए भी ज़रूरत है। वीडियो की स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। In a three-phase induction motor running at sleep, the mechanical power developed in terms of air gap power Pg is answer D 1 minus S point Pg. Answer. The second question. In a three-phase induction motor, the maximum torque, answer B, does not depend on R. Does not depend on R. Question 3. If the voltage is required if the voltage is reduced of half of torque developed by an induction motor will be reduced to, answer B, 1/2 of original torque. 1/2 of original torque. Question number 3. 4. In a three-phase induction motor, the cage brush of the rotor are arranged in a offset pattern to the axis of the rotation in order to prevent, answer A, torque fluxion. Answer torque fluxion. Question number 5. Question 5. The variation of power factor with respect to the field current is correct, answer B, inverted curve. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इसको स्क्रीनशॉट भी आप ले सकते हो। When the synchronous motor is running at the synchronous speed, the damper winding produce, answer C, torque ending the developed torque. Torque ending the developed torque. Question 7. A motor which can conventionally be operated at lagging as well as leading power factor is the, answer C, synchronous motor. Synchronous motor. Question 8. A synchronous motor is the operating one no load at unity power factor. If the field current is increased, power factor will become, answer A, leading and current will be decreases. Leading and current will be decreases. Question 9. The frequency of ripple in the output voltage. Question 9. The frequency of ripple in the output voltage of a three-phase half-controlled bridge rectifier depends on the, answer D, supply frequency. Supply frequencies. आप इसकी शॉर्ट भी ले सकते हो। Question number 10. A PWM switching scheme is used in a three-phase inverter to reduce low order harmonies and increase high order harmonies. Answer B. The 11th question. Which of the following is a cell type of transformer lamination T and U type? The transformer lamination T type and U type. 12th question. For a given number of poles to an armature conductor, a lap winding will carry a wave winding motor current then. Wave winding, answer A, motor current then. Motor current then. Question 30. An 8-pole duplex lap winding will have 60 parallel pads. Answer D. Parallel pads. 160 parallel pads. Question 40. In a duplex wave winding, the number of parallel pads is equal to 2. Answer B. In a simplex wave winding, the number of parallel pads is equal to 2. Question number 50. The number of parallel pads in simple lap winding A equal to number of poles. A equal to number of poles. The number of parallel pads in simplex lap winding is equal to number of poles. Is equal to number of poles. 60. In a lap winding, the number of brushes required in equal to number of pole. In a lap winding, the number of brushes required in equal to number of poles. 17 question. In a wave winding, the commutator pitch is approximately equal to. Question answer A. Twice the pole pitch. Twice the pole pitch. Question number 18. The AC armature winding of a alternator operates at much high voltage than the field winding. The AC armature winding of an alternator operates at much high voltage than the field winding. Answer B. 90 question. The stator of an alternator is wound for the same number of poles as on the stator. The same number of poles as on the stator. Question number 20. The damper winding are used in the alternator to prevent hunting. Answer D. The prevent hunting. This is dash. The damper winding are used in the alternator to prevent hunting. Question 21. The AC armature winding of a alternator is always star connected. The AC armature winding of an alternator is always star connected. 22 question. While testing a fluorescent tube stator with series testing board, the stator is considered good if the lamp continuously flickers. Answer C. Continuously flickers. 23. The illumination power of a lighting source is measured in candle power. The illumination power of a lighting source is measured each candle power. Question 24. As per IE rules, electrical rules, the lighting load in a sub-circuit of the house wiring should not be more than 800 watts. Question 25. As per IE Indian rules, the load in a power sub-circuit in house wiring is normally registered to 3000 watt and number of outlets. आंसर बी। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, और आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन के डाउट हो तो मुझे कमेंट कीजिए, स्क्रीनशॉट आप ले सकते हो। यहाँ पर पूरे वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। इस चैनल को लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस तरह के वीडियो पाने के लिए या टुडे जॉब नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए। धन्यवाद।